Hi! So today we're pickling because I have a bunch of green beans and some cucumbers and some peppers from the garden that need to be pickled. So I thought we'd do a quick video where I show you the things I like to put in my pickles. I've already boiled these jars for 10 minutes at a minimum just to make them sanitized and ready to receive the fillings. I like to put at least 3 cloves of garlic in each jar, 1 tablespoon of dried minced onion. I also dry my own dill, and then I'll use about 3 or so sprigs. When it's fresh, it's a little easier because it doesn't shed as much, but 1, 2, we're gonna do that as sort of a 3rd sprig. This guy's so big he can go in on his own for that jar. And to keep your pickles crunchy, this is my super secret recipe ingredient. I use these little oak leaves. They have tannins in them. You can also use grape leaves and other things that have tannins, I don't know. But grape leaves are the common one you can buy at a grocery store if you must. But there's also, at least where I live, tons of oak trees. And I specifically use the oak trees that make these leaves. I think they're water oaks, but this oak leaf has less tannins in it than red oak, and red oak will make your pickles bitter. So like the big spiky oak leaves are not ideal for pickling. And then this is an example of a jar that I have already crammed full of pickles. You can see I have a slice of pepper in there. I'm just cutting some garden peppers in half to put in there to add a little extra spice. But you want that to be good and packed, and I try to keep them just about rim or under. You don't need a ton of head space with these. If you're making jam, you would need more space at the top. And then we will make our brine, which I will do in another video. So thanks for watching.